Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo, what is up, JAMAICA'S? Come here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're here with Kyodi with a song called Triumphant. Triumphant in brackets got Fatal Attack official audio. So it's not a music video, it's an official audio. And I'm guessing this is Marcus. I'm guessing this is a Marcus production also. So we're jumping on and here where Kyodi has said. Is it that this song? I don't know. Let's go. Room.
I'm the man Marcus. Alien man. Thing mad, man. You ain't what that throw me? I want 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. You see how?
Is this a Call of Duty background, like animation thing, like a GIF? Is that Call of Duty, right?
You ain't what that throw me? I want 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. You see how this is a blast, man. With the logo on their shoulder, man.
Yeah, all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. You see, pan this is a blast. Big up, this is a blast by Instagram. This is a blast. You will see them pan this is a blast. Spread out. Logo.
You see how this is a blast, man. With the logo on their shoulder, man. I know one a chop, a be a man a chop. Watch them a run up and down, a key a man a strap. Me killer have a pain pan a shot, a lien tap a knock.
Bombokla. Yeah, I know one and a two and I know 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 of them a drop. A be a man a drop. Enough of them a drop. Yeah. Look on people a run up and down, a key a man a strap. Them a what? Them a run up and down. Watch me kill them pan the lane tap. Have a pain pan a shot a knock. Yo.
Ain't what that throw me? I want 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. You see how this is a blast, man. With the logo on their shoulder, man. I know one a chop, a be a man a chop. Watch them a run up and down, a key a man a strap. Me killer have a pain pan a shot, a lien tap a knock. Be a man a chop, a be a man a chop. Chip panic like a key up on a lap. Key with a double row clip, a fatal attack.
Chip panic like a key up on a... Yo. That song about it, no? The rhythm choice. Let me talk about the rhythm for a second. The rhythm bad. Marcus, make up yourself on the rhythm. The rhythm here bad. Why the rhythm here never drop in the war? Like, why the rhythm here never drop in the war and send over to Marco or whoever? The rhythm here bad. Like the rhythm, dog. It's a nice rhythm. It's a nice rhythm, man.
Man a shot me killer have a pain pan a shot, a lien tap a knock. Be a man a chop, a be a man a chop. Chip panic like a key up on a lap. Key with a double row clip, a fatal attack.
Key with a double row clip, a fatal attack. Fatal attack. That's why. Okay.
Chip panic like a key up on a lap. Key with a double row clip, a fatal attack. Be a good.
Clot. Pull up, man.
Room.
Pull up, man. Pull up, man.
Thing
Pull up.
Man. You ain't what that throw me?
Okay.
I want 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. You see how this is a blast, man.
We don't hear the name call yet, so I guess it's not on this song. Let's go.
I know one a chop, a be a man a chop. Watch them a run up and down, a key a man a strap. Me killer have a pain pan a shot, a lien tap a knock. Be a man a chop, a be a man a chop. Chip panic like a key up on a lap. Key with a double row clip, a fatal attack. Be a gun over ya, be a man a chop. Be a man a chop, a be a man a chop. Me tell us some must hold you. Watch him foot fall up. Watch him split on the ground like he just roll up.
Me did tell you some must hold you in a pussy. Me did tell you some must hold you. Look at you now on the ground, fold up, lean up like some suck out back juice. Look at you now. Look at you. I just split roll up like it. Brother. Me did tell you some I go hold you. But because I never believe, are you underestimating? Are you audience? That hold you. Hold on to your face. What we brain.
Be a gun over ya, be a man a chop. Be a man a chop, a be a man a chop. Me tell us some must hold you. Watch him foot fall up. Watch him split on the ground like he just roll up. Friend side of him spread out, him close bore up. Full of red stain like when pitting him donut.
Full of red stain like when pitting him donut. You know, when kids and them donut sometimes get messy. Red stain, they jam out of the donut. Me can hear like a Diddy flow in another one. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with it because Diddy a bad artist. But me can hear like a old school, you know, like a Diddy a flow on that one, you know what? Yeah, me can actually hear Diddy on the beat too.
Friend side of him spread out, him close bore up. Full of red stain like when pitting him donut. Pull up and door shut, kick it down, not gold cup. Loan.
Pull up and door shut, kick it down. Bumbo
Full of
clad.
red stain like when pinning am donut. Pull up and door shut, kick it down, not gold cup. Lone face play, bust thematic from close up. Boy, Mara jump out, mess up me polo.
Lone face play. Bust-matic from close up. Yeah. Face you get it in and know yourself. Hold on ya. Oh, Kayo. You never listen.
Lone face play, bust thematic from close up. Boy, Mara jump out, mess up me polo. Next up is that to my portfolio.
Boy, Mara jump out, mess up my polo. Next up is that to my portfolio. I'm stacking them up, I'm piling them up. Cause I'm that guy.
Boy, Mara jump out, mess up me polo. Next up is that to my portfolio. No one a chop a be a man a chop. Watch them a run up and down a key a man a shot. Me killer have a pain pan a shot a lien tap a knock. Be a man a chop a be a man a chop. Chip panic like a key up on a lap. Key with a double row clip a fatal attack. Be a gun over ya, be a man a chop.
Second verse, we get the second verse. Alright, listen.
They shoulda know that. Be a killer in a the link, no poser.
Them shoulda know that you be a killer in the link. None of we are no poser, brother. We don't have gonna post pan belly, brother. That have in hand more time I slap it in a boy face. One to your brain, know yourself.
They shoulda know that. Be a killer in a the link, no poser. Send a girl for you, me look a porn star.
Send a bad girl for you, send a freaky girl for you. Me look a porn star. Yeah. She go fuck you, suck you, and then shot you, and then you have to roll one again. Bumbuckler. Can you make a bumbuckler? You make your harness, make your life get tech. Eh? The girl trick you and fuck you and kill you.
Be a killer in a the link, no poser. Send a girl for you, me look a porn star. SMG go off and never phone call when
SMG go off and never phone call. Trick you get tricked there, so.
Send a girl for you, me look a porn star. SMG go off and never phone call when Junior go range and now with no rover.
When Junior go range and now with no rover and a Range Rover. When you go range, a shooting range, you go figure pew pew pew. You know, make sure you say the aim the pan pint. You know them way there? Yeah. Race out all 2 box a shot for the session? Yeah.
SMG go off and never phone call when Junior go range and now with no rover. Can't spend badness never over. SLR turn on and turn him over. Me a looking at him and never in a folder.
SLR turn on and turn him over. We are looking at him head. I never follow. Yeah.
SLR turn on and turn him over. Me a looking at him and never in a folder. And no one a chop a be a man a chop. Watch them a run up and down a key a man a shot. Me killer have a pain pan a shot a lien tap a knock. Be a man a chop a be a man a chop. Chip panic like a key up on a lap. Key with a double row clip a fatal attack. Be a gun over ya, be a man a chop. Be a man a chop a be a man a chop.
Oh! Rhythm bad. I be a man a chop, I be a man a chop. Oh! Everybody drop flat. Yeah, me turn artist. Be a man a drop, be a man a drop. Watch out, artist, me name, artist, Bumbleclaw. You think me a two artist? I want two youth. Artist out here. Glad. Big up yourself, Kyodi. Big up yourself, Marcus. Rhythm bad. I like the rhythm. The song nice as well. Obviously, it's not a war song, it's not a clash song. You know, shoot off on nobody, but him tell you say, yo, make sure say you know say you a pain pan a shot we have up here. So just a race out just like that. Because we can. We got it like that. We can. You see me? Yeah. Kyodi, big up yourself, G. Kyodi, can I just say something to you, sir? Capital shoot off for you 2 times. Capital a bad artist. Capital shoot off for you and Shane 2 times. You don't answer. Eh? You don't answer Capital. That me want know. Because him say uptown as well, you know. So, Wagwan. Capital. Yeah. Capital shoot off for you. And Capital sang them bad. Capital sang a chap. So you don't answer. Because you say you're in a war mode from where you bro. So, just want to know still if you not answer. You see me? It's just a question, guys. Don't shoot me in the comment section and kill me. But just want to know if him not answer. You see me? Yeah. But Capital out here, ready for create havoc by the sound of things. So it would be nice for somebody answer Capital and make we see Capital true potential. A bust out boy face. You know? So big up yourself though. Kyodi, big up yourself, like me say. Marcus, big up yourself. Kyodi, Triumphant, Fatal Attack by Marcus Records. Big up on yourself. This is what I'm going to leave on study. If you enjoyed the one I want some more, leave a like on the video, man. Subscribe around here if you're new, man. And I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst game, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.